Jai Srimanarayana. 13th sloka from 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aprakashaha apravrittischa pramado mohayevacha तमस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन। ओम। Do not let tamogunam dominate in you, because it makes you feel lazy, makes you feel not working at all though you have capacity to work, and makes you feel go against to the laws of Vedic scriptures. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall make sure that tamogunam doesn't dominate in me. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Swayambhuva Manuvu praying Sriman Narayana. Let us also listen to these prayer slokas. Adhagre Rushayah कर्माणि ईहन्ते अकर्म हेतवे ईहमानो हि पुरुषः प्रायो नीहां प्रपद्यते ईहते भगवानीशो न हि तत्र विसज्जते आत्मलाभेन पूर्णार्धो नावसीदन्ति येनुतम् तमीहमानं निरहं कृतं बुधं निराशिषं पूर्णमनन्यचोदितं नॄन् शिक्षयन्तं निजवर्त्मसंस्थितं prabhum prapadyekkhila dharma bhavanam. Om. He is praying like this: O Sriman Narayana, you have no desires. There is nothing that you have to attain, that is why you have no desires. Whereas these jivas, souls, always will be doing something, doing karma actions to attain some kind of, to fulfill some kind of wishes. All this initiative is being done by you for all the jivas, souls, according to their own previous karma. O Sriman Narayana, these souls, to attain happiness, they will be doing so many activities. But at some point they will notice that even those activities which are done to get some happiness are bringing some sorrow. So they will stop doing any activities at some point. Bhagavan, according to the previous karma, you are the one who will be making all these living beings perform their own activities. Yet, you will not be tainted by any karma. You will not be stuck in any karma bondage. Such great amount of efficiency you have while performing your own actions. And also those who follow you will not be tied by any karma bondage. O Sriman Narayana, you are omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient. And you are the one who is able to drive devotees in such a path by which they can attain your own divine abode. You are the one who is more efficient in preserving all kind of dharmas. Bhagavan, I treat you, I accept you, I perceive you as everything. That is why I surrender to you. Like that, Swayambhuva Manuvu praying Sriman Narayana. All these slokas of Swayambhuva Manuvu is known as Mantropanishad. There is one Upanishad in Vedas, that is Isavasya Upanishad. So, all this prayer of Swayambhuva Manuvu is the essence of Isavasya Upanishad. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Parikshin Narendra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 13th sloka. Aprakaso pravrittischa pramado mohayevacha tamasyetani jayante vivruddhe kurunandana. Aprakaso pravrittischa pramado mohayevacha tamasyetani jayante vivruddhe kurunandana. Sriman Narayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.